The 1 mile jogging test is not a maximal test but is a submaximal moderate steady state exertion test and is assessed in 18 to 29-year-old men and women. A 400-meter track will be needed, a heart rate monitor which is optional, proper running attire, pencil and paper, stopwatch and scale. Some of the must are the warm-up should last from 2 to 3 minutes. Select a comfortable moderate jogging pace and measure the heart rate immediately after the test. The elapsed time for the 1 mile jogging test should be 8 minutes for men and 9 minutes for females. Post-exercise heart rates will be measured using the palpation technique on either the radial or carotid site and should not exceed 180 beats per minute. Prior to the test, some light static or dynamic stretching is recommended. The static stretches shown here should be held for at least 30 seconds and the goal is to run a mile at a comfortable pace without stopping. Right before starting, make sure that the stopwatch is started. And as you are finishing, make sure you stop the stopwatch. Immediately after finishing, the heart rate will be taken. First, you will go ahead and use your index and your middle fingers to place on your radial artery, which will be the first site. Next, the same two fingers and you will place it on your carotid artery. At this point, you will count your pulses for 15 seconds and multiply by 4 to find the heart rate. The 1 mile walking test is a submaximal test used to assess cardiorespiratory fitness for men and women ages 20 to 69 years old that involves fast walking and is used to test older sedentary individuals. A 400-meter track will be used. Heart monitor is optional. Proper running attire, pencil, paper, stopwatch, and a scale. Before the test, it is recommended to warm up 5 to 10 minutes, then select a moderate walking pace and measure the heart rate immediately after the test. Post-exercise, heart rates will be measured using the palpation technique on either radial or carotid site and should not exceed 180 beats per minute. Right before starting, make sure to start the stopwatch. And as you finish, you want to also make sure you stop the stopwatch. Post-exercise heart rate will be measured using the palpation technique on the radial artery as well with your index and middle finger and on your carotid artery site. The 1 mile jog formula as shown here is VO2 max equals 100.5 minus 0.1636 times body weight in kg minus 1.438 times time in minutes minus 0.1928 times heart rate plus 8.344 times gender, and my body weight was 56 kg. My time is 8:21, but you have to convert it. 21 divided by 6 equals 0.35, so the time is 8.35. Heart rate equals 36 beats per 15 seconds times 4 equals 144 beats per minute. Gender, being a female, is going to be 0. After you plug in the numbers, my VO2 max was 51.58 and was classified as excellent. The 1 mile walk formula as shown here is VO2 max equals 132.853 minus 0.0769 times body weight in pounds minus 0.3877 times age in years plus 6.315 times gender minus 3.2649 times time in minutes minus 0.1565 times heart rate. My body weight was 125 pounds, age 21, gender being a female 0, time 12:17 converted, you get 12.28, heart rate 24 beats per 15 seconds times 4, 96 beats per minute. After calculating the VO2 max, I ended up getting 59.98, classifying me as superior.